Hello and welcome to our channel where we explore the latest advancements in automotive technology. Today, we'll be discussing innovation in motion, the future of automotive software. With the rapid advancement of technology, the automotive industry is evolving at a rapid pace, and software is at the forefront of this transformation. From autonomous driving to predictive maintenance, software is driving the future of the automotive industry. So, let's dive in and explore the latest trends in automotive software. Automotive software is the driving force behind many of the recent advancements in the industry. For example, self-driving cars are becoming a reality thanks to sophisticated software algorithms that can interpret data from multiple sensors in real time. In the near future, we can expect to see further advancements in autonomous driving, such as fully autonomous vehicles that can operate without human intervention. Another trend we're seeing is the rise of predictive maintenance software. This technology uses machine learning algorithms to analyze vehicle data and predict when maintenance will be required. This can help reduce downtime and increase the lifespan of vehicles, ultimately resulting in cost savings for fleet operators. Connected cars are also becoming more prevalent, with software enabling vehicles to communicate with each other and with infrastructure. This can improve safety and reduce congestion on our roads, as well as provide real-time information to drivers about traffic, weather conditions, and more. In addition, we're seeing the rise of custom automotive software solutions, where software is developed specifically for individual businesses or applications. For example, logistics companies may use software to optimize routes and reduce fuel consumption, while car rental companies may use software to manage their fleets more efficiently. That's all for today's video on innovation in motion, the future of automotive software. As we've seen, software is driving the future of the automotive industry, and we can expect to see further advancements in the near future. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on automotive technology. Thank you for watching.